Okay, so here is the next questions found this year PSLE Math, where it's referring to a parameter of a shaded area and an unshaded part. Okay, so the difference between them is 4 cm. Okay, so let's look into, and the first question is looking for the length of AB, which is this one. Okay, which is here. Okay, so now, okay, let's look into parameter as in terms of the outline here. So there are two lines that is repeated. Okay, let's do a model here. Shaded, the unshaded. Okay, now let's look at these straight lines here. Okay, both the shaded and the unshaded will add in this diagonal line as well. So when we draw the models, both of them will have this part here. Okay, so we named it as the okay, let's name it as what, part C here. So that means both, right? Because when you add the parameter of this shaded part, is inclusive of this line as well, AC. So you add AC together with this three, the outline here, to form the shaded. Same for ABC as well. This will also added at the same time. So both of them will share, not say share, both of them will have the line of AC as well as the shaded part will also have AC. Okay. Okay, what other things that was been shared here? Now, written that this was 2 cm, given that this was written 4 cm, as well as this one 8 cm. Okay, they do have the common numbers as well from B to C. We have to highlight this. Okay, when you have 2 cm, okay, it should also appear over here. When you have 4 cm, it will also appear here as well. And lastly, the 8 cm. Also found on the shaded part as well. So this part, they both share the same. Okay, so they do have the same part. Okay, what falls into between this repeated orange bar is whereby it's added of the 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is equals to 14. Same to, that means this one will also be 14 for the orange part here. Okay, what is not there to be the same is, actually they do have the same. For the vertical line, this one, okay, let's use the purple color. Okay, will appear on here as well. So this is 3 cm. Then the other one, which is appeared here, is also the 3 cm, will be here as well. Okay, now what, there's a little more here whereby you have to draw across this. Okay, this little part here will be the unknown part. As well as this one also. Okay, that means these two lines are equal. Okay, so with the two purple and the blue, this one where I have a question mark, that means they do have AB as well. So I'm going to draw a model which both this is AB as well as AB also will appear here too. This will also be A, B. Okay, so both of the shader and non-shader will have AB as well. Okay, so they'll be here the same until then. Okay, and remember earlier they say that the difference is by 4 cm. So this is the extra of the 4 cm here, which is the blue one that, no, sorry, the pink line there, the two lines here for this one and this one. So before here, and they share equally because it's two equal sides, so they share. So this one eventually will be 4 cm. So each side, okay, will be 2 cm, as in 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. So the total height of this okay, which is 7 plus 3 plus, oh no, need. Actually the total, okay, if here to here, okay, remember here, this part here shows 7. So you bring back here, if this shows 7, this little part here will be 5. Okay, this will be 5. So the length of AB will be equals to 3 plus 3 plus 5, 11 cm. So answer for part A, AB, now part B asked the area of the shaded part. Okay, so we are going to name every rectangle A. I'm going to see this as rectangle B. And we're going to see this as the rectangle okay, so this is my rectangle C. Okay, you will find the various area of rectangle A, rectangle B, and rectangle C. So the length is 2, 3, 6, square, area of B equals to 4 times 6. Okay, equals to 24 cm. And area of C equals to 8 times 11 equals to 58 cm square. Total area equals to 6 plus 24 plus 88. Okay, that will be 134 cm square. Okay, then after this, now we will see a triangle here as well, falling in between. So we're going to find the area of this. Okay, let's do it this way. See, there will be a triangle here, this part here. Okay, so there is a triangle here. So find the area of triangle. So halved times base, which is 14, times height, which is AB, 11. So which equals to 77 cm square. Okay, find the area of the shaded part. Take the total area of the three rectangle, 134. Take away the area of triangle, which is 77. And so it's 57 centimeter square. So B. So area is 7 centimeters.